Hey there, if you own a website, you're probably familiar with the term SEO, or search engine optimization. It's crucial for getting your site noticed, but did you know there are some shady practices that can do more harm than good? Today, I'm talking about the top 10 unethical SEO practices you need to avoid at all costs. First up, keyword stuffing. This means cramming as many keywords as possible into your content or meta tags. It looks spammy, annoys users, and search engines hate it. You'll end up with penalties, not higher rankings. Next, cloaking. This sneaky tactic shows different content to search engines than what users see. It's misleading and can get you banned from search results. Number 3, link schemes. Buying or selling links or using private blog networks to boost your page rank. Google is onto this trick and will penalize your site. Fourth, hidden text or links. Using white text on a white background or hiding links with CSS tricks. It's deceptive and search engines will catch on. Number 5, content scraping or plagiarism. Copying content from other websites without permission. Not only is it unethical, but it can also lead to copyright infringement issues. Sixth, clickbait or misleading titles. These might boost your clicks initially, but when users realize your content doesn't match the title, they'll bounce. This can hurt your rankings. Number 7, negative SEO. Deliberately trying to harm a competitor's site with spammy backlinks or hacking. It's illegal and unethical. 8th, phishing or malware insertion. Using SEO to promote sites that steal user info or distribute malware. This is criminal behavior. Number 9, automated queries or spamming search engines. Using bots to generate traffic or manipulate results. This can get you permanently banned. And finally, fake reviews and testimonials. Creating or soliciting fake reviews to boost credibility. It's illegal and can lead to legal action. So, there you have it. While these tactics might seem tempting for quick gains, they almost always lead to penalties, loss of rankings, and sometimes even legal issues. Stick to ethical white-hat SEO techniques for long-term success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips.